Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm really excited to bring you guys today's video because we are showing off our second, is this the second one?
Second one.
This is the second mobile home that Daniel and I have redesigned. If you guys don't already follow us over on Instagram, I actually styled each room of the house and we're posting pictures of that. The guest bathroom was done late, so it is actually styled right now. I took the pictures today. So you'll get a little glimpse of that, but make sure you follow us on @LivingHopeProperties on Instagram and you will get some update. I'll put it down here on the screen below and we will constantly be giving you guys updates on what mobile homes we're working on and stuff like that. So anyways, let's just get into this house tour because that is why we're all here. So this is the front entrance, and when you come in, you come into this great big room, which is the living room. We left the exposed beam here just as is because I thought it was a really beautiful touch. So I went with this really warm, I just love this laminate flooring. It looks really like a warm wood color, but it looks pretty real and it was not very expensive at all. It was one of the cheaper ones, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And it was one of the more affordable laminates.
$1.29.
And then the lamp up here we got off Amazon. I do a lot of the lighting and doorknobs, that kind of thing. I get it all on Amazon because it's such a great price. I'll have everything linked down below if you guys want to see that. But then if we go in here into the kitchen area, and this was actually a wall of cabinets. What you saw was the back of the kitchen cabinets, and there was a little window right here. So they tore that down completely, and we added this island into the kitchen. And if you guys, and this lighting is also from Amazon, and so are the Edison bulbs, which I think is a really great touch. So over here, now I just love how the kitchen and living room areas are just one big open room, which is great for entertaining. And yeah, I just love the idea of not being cut off from everything when you're in the kitchen working. So the hardwood floor is throughout except for in the bathrooms. So they painted the cabinets, and I just got these knobs off of Amazon to kind of update the look. We just went with black throughout. And while we were able to match the cabinets exactly on the island, which is great, we had to like rebuild this completely. We weren't able to match the granite, which is fine because we went with a coordinating color and it really looks great. I've seen it a lot in the Street of Dreams and stuff, so it's kind of a thing right now, and I just love how it turned out. Marcus is really busy. He loves it in here. But anyways, we did put the stove in. The dishwasher was old. A really cool thing, you'll see these lights throughout the house. They were really dated with like a gold, like the shiny gold band around the top. But we just spray painted them black, and I think they look really cute now. And then over here is the laundry room. And we didn't do much in here. They just kind of, what did you guys do? Why don't you talk, Daniel?
Yeah, we actually found both of these washer and dryer used on Craigslist. Combined, they're only 80 bucks. We put in this vinyl tile flooring, and it's a peel and stick that you get from Home Depot. Not expensive at all, very easy to install.
And it looks really pretty.
And it looks really nice. We also just painted everything, updated these cabinets, and then back here, able to update the just clean up the pantry a little bit.
Yeah, so other than that, this goes out to the carport, but we won't go out there. They did change out all the knobs, but other than that, you just shut Marcus in the closet.
Oh, I'm sorry, Marcus. Are you in the closet? Oh, I think he likes it.
Okay, moving on.
Okay, bye.
Other than that, they didn't really do a whole lot. They just painted and textured the walls in here.
Are you done?
Oh, she's waving. Did you get this?
Can you say bye-bye? Try again.
Yeah, good job, baby girl. Oh, so over here right off the kitchen is another main living area. There used to be a light that we just took out for like a dining table area, but we just left it bare. And then put in this fan. And I think this would be a really comfy space. There's plenty of room for a whole table and then like a comfy like reading area. I think it's awesome. This stove was already here, but it had like this goldy brass front. So we just took some black flammable paint, or not flammable paint, and painted that to kind of update the look. And I really like how it looks. I would love this as like a cozy little reading corner. it'd be amazing. You put a basket of like logs here, and then like a nice fluffy rug, it'd be amazing. So anyways, let's go into the master bedroom. Actually, let's save the master bedroom for last, because I love the bathroom here so much. So you come along this way to the 2-bedroom. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house. Here is bedroom 1. Again, we didn't do much other than update the flooring, mud and texture, and then we put these new light fixtures in the top. Again, they're from Amazon. I'll link them down below. So over here is bedroom number 2.
It's just a mirror.
Yeah, it's basically the same thing. Light fixture. I love how big the windows are in these bedrooms. They let in a lot of natural lighting. And then over here is the guest bath, which I really love as well. So it's all decorated because I did just do a styled shoot with it. The wallpaper is on just an accent wall over here, which I love. This mirror is from IKEA, and then the faucet is from Amazon. If you guys are interested in any of the design stuff, leave me a comment down below and I will, you know, message you if you want to know where these things are from. This was already here, and then this, I love how this turned out. So we went with the black hardware and then a laminate faux granite, and I love how the dark just like looks really contrasting with the white. And I love anyways, and yeah, did we leave these cabinets here?
No, we actually rebuilt those.
Oh, Marcus,
We had to bring in these, when we removed the countertops before, this entire thing fell apart. So we got a whole new vanity also for them.
Yeah, anyways, I love how this bathroom turned out. And it's like so inexpensive to do the laminate and just add some wallpaper and it looks amazing. And like I said, we went with the same lighting that was in here and then just bought a new light for up above here. And yeah, this bathroom is really inexpensively done and it looks great. So now let's go to the master bedroom. Marcus, can we come out of there, please?
Are you a plumber, Marcus?
He is a plumber.
Marcus is handling the plumbing for our business. Very cheap labor.
Oh, the flooring in here is the same as the laundry room. Okay, come on, Marcus, let's go out. Come on, okay, good boy. There you go. Okay. So, moving back through the living room into the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom we're about to go into, and the bathroom in this room was just so unimpressive. It was the tiniest little closet. It had like a double vanity sink. I'll put a picture in here. So we put in a little bit extra work into this bathroom. Because of the size, we wanted to just feel like it was a little bit more fancy. So I'll show you what we went ahead and did. Again, we just put one of the black lights in here. And also, there was this little nook that had a few shelves. We took it out, and the woman who actually bought this is already sold before we put it on the market, which is crazy. But she said just leave it blank. We did put shiplap on the back here, and I think it looks great like that. You could put like a little bench in there, or a plant or something. It looked really great. Anyways, so here is the...
That one opens.
So here is the master bath. And we did put shiplap on the back wall because it really needed something to just be more stunning, be more of a statement, because it is, you know, it's supposed to be a nicer bathroom. We went with the same hardware as the guest bathroom and put knobs on the existing cabinets and the same laminate countertops, which look amazing. I would honestly be so happy with these laminate countertops because they look real enough to feel nice, but they're way less than granite would be. And then also we got some really beautiful lights up here from Amazon, and then these mirrors I got from Home Goods. And instead of the one big mirror, we decided to go with 2 mirrors above each sink. Anyways, so that's the end of this video. Daniel's putting the kids in the car because they're starting to get a little bit tired. But anyways, we were super excited and happy with how this home turned out. When the appraisal came back, it actually got appraised for $8 $8,000 more than any previous home in this park ever. Because of Daniel and his crew's work and my design, we broke the record by $8,000, which I think is so amazing, and just another testament. Like, if you guys remember in my last video, I told you kind of why we started this business, because of a hard time and just seeing how God was faithful and brought us through everything and has really blessed this business. It's just amazing that our work has like broken the record by that much money, and it's just all the Lord's provision and blessing. And anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I do try to design each home a little bit different than the last, and I get a lot of inspiration by going to home shows and stuff. And part of our vision behind Living Hope Properties is to give lower income families a beautiful home. People who have to live in affordable housing don't usually get a very pretty home, and that's kind of what we want to do, is to give people a home that they never thought that they could have. And I think with this home, we definitely did that. I would be so happy to live here. I think it's really beautiful. That's something actually that we are considering, is moving into a mobile home, because it looks so much better than our rental even. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you liked it, and give it a thumbs up, because that really helps like my videos get more popular on YouTube, and I would really appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.